Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Success Kar and you're watching me on Abroad Ki Dunia. So this is our travel series of Italy and today we are here in Rome. So today we are going to give you a short tour of our room, and you can also expect more or less such type of rooms whenever you come here in Rome. So let me just quickly show you what we have inside our room, and later we talk about how can you book your accommodation in Rome. Here let here let's go in. As you can see, the room is pretty much bigger in size, and on this side immediately we have this big mirror, and it's not a normal mirror. I would say they have tried to utilize every space of this room. So here we have a modern bathroom, we have a shower handle, on top of that we have a head shower and toilet, and this thing you still know about it. And here we have this mirror and this air blower. Yeah, it does work perfect. And if you go a little bit here, then we have this big double bed, and we have a small table to keep our things next to it. Also there is a charging port to charge your phone. Here we have another small table to study work, and we have a unique chair, I would say. And here they have their menu. On the opposite side of our bed we have this beautiful TV which can literally move in either of the direction. I don't know if I can take it for no, I cannot. We also have air conditioner, and they have beautiful interior created for this room. And especially in Europe, wherever you go, the smoke alarm will always follow you. So here, and we when we slide this, we really have a huge window. So let me just quickly open this for you. And yes, this is the most central location in Rome. So it is like a 5 minutes walk from the Rome Central Station. And if you want to visit a Rome, I would highly recommend this place because it is in super central. From here you can go downstairs. If you are hungry, just grab something, come upstairs. And you also have a metros, is bahn, trams, everything in this neighborhood. And neighborhood is pretty much safe because it is already surrounded by a bunch of the hotels for tourists. And most important thing, it is giving you an accessibility to the Colosseum and major attraction like within 5 minutes or 10 minutes walk. So that's something about this rooms in Rome. If you are one who would like to plan your eternity for Rome or Italy the way we did and want our support, then feel free to book a one-to-one session with us, and or put your comments down so that we can support you in booking your eternity. And if you have liked this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Auf Wiedersehen.